Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to format your SD card on your XIAOMI Smart Camera C701. Okay, if you'd like to format it, click on three dots in top right corner, then go to Manage Storage, now Card Status, and now you will be able to find Format SD card. Now click on OK. That will erase all the data on your SD card. And also, it is needed if you insert a card for the first time into the camera, because it needs to build the database on the card so that it actually works with the camera. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.